Hi, I'm Big Pete.
And I'm Teddy Danielson.
Welcome to Cooking with Cannabutter. I can see that we have salmon today. I love salmon.
Me too.
So good.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a butter, sort of an herb butter, and we're gonna use part regular butter and part Big Pete's Cannabutter. So the herbs that I'm gonna use, it's gonna be a lemon dill butter. And so it's just, I've got some fresh dill here. It's actually from a local farmer at the farmer's market. And we're gonna do some lemon juice, and we're also gonna zest some lemons. We're gonna do some lemon zest. And then we're gonna mix it all up, and then we're just gonna spoon it on top of our salmon, do a little salt and pepper, and we're gonna stick it in the oven. All right, well, I'm gonna chop up some dill here. Here's our butter, and then we're gonna add some Cannabutter. All right, half a teaspoon, and this, again, you want this at room temperature so it all melts together. Look at that color.
Oh,
gosh, you did something special here.
That's special stuff.
It sure is. And we're just gonna do this. We're gonna first incorporate the butters together, just so that you can sort of see where all that green goodness is going.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go ahead and add our dill. Plenty of it too. Zest. 1 lemon. A little juice too. Let's get these seeds out. Alright, so there's our butter. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little salt and pepper on our salmon before we put the butter on. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and make these kind of into pretty little balls.
All right.
I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven at 450.
Okay. You've done it again. You've prepared a fabulous meal prepared by Teddy. The salmon is unbelievable.